Hey guys, it's Lightning Bolt, and I'm back! Okay, that was very cringy. But basically, today we're gonna be playing Don't Press the Button. Like, you know, I played that a couple other times on this channel a bit before. But basically, today we're gonna be playing with Nova. Basically, it's a game similar to Epic Minigames. For those of you who do not know, basically, you spawn in the middle of nowhere with a button. You press it, and you can engage in a bunch of different. There's like a bunch of different randomly generated mini games. There's also a couple of memes and stuff, like the I Like Trains kid, or Peppa Pig, or the Peppa Pig intro, stuff like that. But yeah, there's a bunch of like different mini games. You can beat those mini games to get coins, and yeah, that's basically it. So let's get right in. Okay, this one you have to dash away from the tornado. Oh god! Also, it's randomized. I just got sucked up. Ah! This is like a survival mini game. I'm pretty sure home's towards players.
Oh yeah, no crap.
Ah! Just run. Oh.
Wait, what is this one?
This one's don't fall.
I'm proud.
And also don't hit the blocks because they'll ragdoll you. And then you'll die. Ah! How am I still alive? Ah! 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 Oh yeah, by the way, when I'm scared, I make the weirdest sounds. So you're probably gonna be hearing a lot of.
Bro, why'd you just call my mother a broomstick?
Yeah. I think we all won except for that one AFK guy. I'll just be Bruce, but no, I think that's the wrong one. Oh!
Explode!
Alright, Nova, let's go. Yeah! It's Splatoon, guys. Oh my god. Real Splatoon. Alright, we just need to slam our face against the walls to color on. We lost. Rest in peace, we lost the game. RIP. We have some they're better. They're just better, I think. I think the blue team's just better. Yeah, we lost. Rest in peace, man.
No, we didn't lose. We did
lose.
Oh no, we probably lost.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bro, our team is trash.
No, we got the AFK noob. And I'm bad. And we also got the lightning boat.
Huh?
Get in. Nova, did you die already?
I don't know how this game works.
Ha ha ha. Sarah Bonder sent me a friend request. I don't know who Sarah Bonder is, but okay. I'm just playing it safe, okay? I know that I'm lazy, I'm just playing it safe. See, look, here comes a boulder. Also, who's beating everyone up? Is that you, Nova?
It's not me.
Seems like you in real life, bro.
Oh, it is me. How do I stop that? I'm beating myself up.
Hey, guys. Hey, guys.
How I like not
no
do
idea.
that?
I'm just flexing on
being
him.
machine.
Hey guys, look at my balloons. It's my winning balloons. Oh yeah, by the way, do you guys like this the water thing better? Or do you guys like the free mecha things better? Guys, I'm playing my celebration song. I'm so mean. Oh, this one. Wait, no, I think I accidentally unfriended you.
No, that's crazy.
Yeah, it's me in real life, bro.
Bro, no, the person who has this is a mobile gamer, I'm telling you.
Definitely. This one's like literally all mobile. Yeah, that's mobile. Bro, mobile gamers, it's my time to shine.
Mobile gamers, hold my drink for me, will ya?
Yep. Mommy, hold my drinky.
No, weird.
No, Mommy, can you hold my Twinkie? I want to play the Roblox.
Yeah. Oh,
For some reason, I always mess up on this jump right here. Yo!
bro. I've never done this before. Like the speaker, but I just beat it.
You've never beaten this before, or I've just not played this game in a while.
Speedrunner,
60.
don't touch the button. Like I've had speedrun and don't press the button before. I've just never like beat it. This is kind of cool. Yes, I beat it twice. How many times did you beat it?
Twice.
That's crazy.
I'm back. Let's go. Oh, this is... It's literally just an obby. Except it's the Flintstones.
Yeah, what did you say the theme song was before?
Huh?
You said it was Mario, bro.
It sounded like Mario, but no, it's the Flintstones.
Yeah, see? Now he believes me.
Still really easy,
I
just
fell,
longer. And my climbing animation sucks.
Oh.
Oh. I have to grab a fire extinguisher. Yes, yes, mobile gamer, do it.
Do it, mobile gamer.
They don't know how to... Oh, I thought they didn't know how to do it for a second. And I was like,
It's the
no.
most beautiful thing I've ever seen in
My
my
life!
life.
It's banana!
Yeah.
Next to
Yes,
banana!
yeah.
It's...
Bro, best thing in the world.
Hey, Vsauce, Michael here.
Oh my god.
What's Vsauce?
Where's the music? It used to be Minecraft Sweden Trap remix. Also, there's a diamond.
Dang it. Clap clap, slap slap slap, clap 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 clap clap, slap slap, clap clap clap, slap slap slap, clap clap clap, slap slap slap.
It's your turn to... It's your turn. Oh. 420 ping. Oh, like, oh my god. Oh, it's the boss fight!
Yes. Bye, Norlily. Sorry, it's Norlily. Hi.
Oh.
Hell, imagine not having any Robux so you can't have a skin and be like a noob like that guy. L. Huh?
What's my climbing animation sucks?
Bro.
Get up. Run. Oh! Got him! At the last second!
Oh.
Oh god. Bye, Nova.
Whee!
Bye, Nova.
Again?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure it homes towards the closest player. Yeah, it does.
Woo!
Yeah, I'm out.
Woo.
Bye, Nova.
Nah, it got me again.
No, it just doesn't like
this
you.
tornado is novophobic.
Oh my god, bro. Oh, red light, green light. I'm gonna die in the most dumb, in the stupidest, in the absolutely stupidest way possible.
Huh?
No! It kills you at yellow light.
This game is not.
You should know that. It kills you at yellow light.
No.
Look, they all died. Also, I love this song. Yes, you're going to die. How?
Totally. Not even that. Like I'm only third on the circle. Which one's red?
When it turned red. See, like that. Ah! How are you still alive? Ah!
Flubble flubble gibble gob. Okay.
Yo!
So close. Convinced that Boat is the Guinness World Record holder for best person at this game.
Damn. I love this one.
Link's Awakening. Yeah, so we had this one before. I'm gonna say it again. Link's Awakening, best game of like 2019. Well, wait, because Smash Bros came out on the Switch. I'm talking about obviously. Because Breath of the Wild came out in 2017, and then what's it called?
Yo, we tied.
Yeah, it's crazy. Actually, no, because it says I won first because everyone else goes behind. So I actually won. I'm insane. Where'd the rings go? Oh.
Yo, it's Snowball.io.
Oh, I love Snowball, yeah.
I love Snowball.io. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it.
Love it. Haha.
I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh my god, bro. I love it. I love it. I love it. Who won?
Who won?
Oh, you won. Yo.
Oh, really? That's crazy.
Oh, I love this one. I love this one.
I love this one too.
I love it so much. I love it tonight. Can you maybe? Yeah. Ah!
I just threw my mouse on the ground. Hold, let me do it again so people can actually get it.
Wow.
I'm sick of.
Oh. All right.
By the way, I got a new mic.
We got the
I got a new
pros.
mic, so I hope people like it.
We got the pros on our team, and never
Why am
mind.
I always on red team?
AFK.
I've never been.
Yeah, whenever I'm on your team, then that's never the pro team.
Oh, what are you trying to say, huh? How about? Are you saying I'm bad at this game?
Nah, you guys won. You guys won. GG.
I just stayed on boat.
Yeah, we won. Oh wait, no, I think you won. I'm not sure. Probably got to be tied.
Oh no, blue one.
Oh, we won. Damn, I just got carried. Hold up.
Alright, fine. Let's do one more after this, alright? And that's it. And of course, it's the maze one.
I love
Okay,
it.
I'm just going wherever boat goes.
But I'm not good.
Okay. I'll always stick with you, boat.
Oh, I think I remember where I'm going now.
Yeah, that's the spirit, boat.
Ha! Okay. Oh, we got it! Yeah! Oh, a bunch of people already got there. Hey, guys.
Yeah. So, if you are wondering what the announcement is, actually, what the announcement is it's what the fact is I can never get off of my Mac or something. But, yeah, so I said before, the 10th is my birthday, and I have decided, wouldn't it be funny to make a YouTube channel on my birthday? So, yeah, My birthday is February 10th. You can put it down on Wikipedia if you like. I doubt any of you would, but you can if you want. And on February 10th, I'm gonna make my YouTube channel, and then every time that like my channel gets old, I'll be like, oh wow, it's our same birthday. What a coincidence. So yeah, this video will be posted on my birthday, and then my channel link will be down below, so everyone who watches it, just feel free to subscribe. And yeah, that's what my announcement is.
Also subscribe to me, please. I'm
No,
starving.
don't. Save all of your subscriptions for me.
Yeah, okay. No, please, my mother and children are starving. Please, please. Ah!